is Tay Rosé. Now, obviously, I will be doing a nail video, okay? But I just have to interject here in the beginning and let you know that my nails are not in the best condition. I'm gonna be doing a Gel X style today. I said I was gonna get inspiration from Pinterest. I said it in my episode of Keeping Up with Tay Rosé, but I'm just going to, part of it is inspiration, but I'm going to freestyle based on what I saw on Pinterest. But I'm gonna try this time around with no voiceover. Yes, no voiceover, because I have other content that I need to edit, and this one is gonna be with no voiceover whatsoever. I'm gonna be doing the Gel X process. I'm gonna be doing my nail prep process, and I'm going to be doing my design process, all with no voiceover, okay? So that is what you're going to see me do, all right? I won't be talking. I need to be quiet so I can get started, and so you can watch this video. friends, so it is officially after 12. Like if I unhook my phone, which my phone is at 67%, but it is 12:12. That is called dedication. Like if you going to the next day to do your nails, oh yeah, that's dedication. I remember like back when I was younger, there were nail shops that would open at night. That was before crime rates went up. Just do other girls nails before like they went straight to the club. But anyway, this is my new nail work. Yeah, so I mean, I would say that I love it. And what I did with this glitter polish in 822, I did not apply 2 coats. I only did 1 coat, and I think it's perfect. Okay, so I would recommend that if you want like that lavender feel, because when I open the bottle, you see that it's like kind of like a lilac, and I didn't want that. I wanted like a really light purple, like almost non-existent, if that makes any sense. But thank you for watching this nail craze. If you have any suggestions, comment below. Like I have lots of suggestions or lots of ideas that I want to do, but I want to hear from you too. If you have any nail designs or nail ideas, comment below. Thank you for tuning into my nail craze. Make sure you check out the previous videos that are coming up next, and I will see you over there. Bye.